Hi, I'm Connor. Today I'm going to show you some of the many benefits of using File Center Pro and PDF Converter Pro. The professional versions of these programs have legal functionality that make them a good choice for use in a law office. We use File Center Pro to store and organize virtual files for all of our clients. We have our files organized by year opened. For example, the 2000 to 2999 reflects cases opened in 2000, and so on. Let's look at an example of what our virtual files look like. File Center is organized into drawers. Within the drawers are individual folders, and within the folders are files or documents. We break our folders up into subfolders to make organizing our files more manageable. For example, we break our folders into the following subfolders. You can save documents into the different subfolders to make them easier to find. You can create additional folders by right-clicking on the top folder and selecting New Folder. In this case, let's call the new folder Evidence. And now we have a new subfolder within our main folder. Now you can start scanning paper documents to this folder. You can also cut and paste documents from one folder to another. Or you can drag and drop documents from one folder into another. One of the nice features of File Center is that you can tell the program how you want it to display the items saved in a particular folder. By clicking on Display, you can instruct File Center how to organize documents to be saved by date created, by the size of the file, by the type of the file, or by the name of the file. You can also tell File Center how you want to see the files on the desktop. You can view documents as thumbnails. You can view documents as enhanced thumbnails, which gives you a preview of the document. You can view documents in a list form, and so on. I like to use enhanced thumbnails so you can see, beyond the title of a file, what exactly you're looking at. Beyond just storing and organizing documents, File Center also lets you manipulate PDF documents. For example, you can stack multiple PDF documents to create one single document. You can do this by dragging one document and dropping it on top of another one. File Center will now ask if you want to put the document on top of or on bottom of. And you can select if you want to delete the dragged document or not. And now we have just combined Tab K and Tab I. You can also unstack a file that consists of multiple pages. For example, you can scan a stack of unrelated documents into File Center. From there, you can unstack them to separate them into single-page files. To unstack, simply right-click and select Unstack PDF File. And now all of the pages that made up the single document are separated. Let's say we want to stack all of these documents to create one single document to prepare to be filed in court. I would take tab B, drag it on top of tab C. I would then take tab C and B combined and put it on top of tab D. I would then take tab B, C, and D and put it on top of tab E. And so on. Once you have your documents stacked to how you want to submit them in court, you can open them in PDF Converter Pro. PDF Converter Pro lets you review PDF documents, and it also lets you manipulate them. We use PDF Converter and File Center in conjunction to prepare documents to be submitted at immigration court. According to the Immigration Court Practice Manual, all documents, including briefs, motions, and exhibits, should always be paginated by consecutive numbers placed at the bottom center or bottom right-hand corner of each page. The page numbering for documents submitted in immigration court are called Bates numbers. Bates numbers look like this. They are a series of 6 digits in ascending order located in the bottom center or right-hand side of every page of every submission. I will show you how to add Bates numbers onto a PDF document. In the menu bar of the PDF Converter, locate the Document menu. About midway down the menu is the submenu entitled Bates Numbering. By placing the cursor over the submenu, a drop-down menu becomes available, and you can either select to add or remove Bates numbering. If a document already has Bates numbers, you can remove them by selecting Remove. To add Bates numbers, select Add. A pop-up screen will prompt you to select the PDF files to which you would like to add Bates numbering. From here, you can search for a specific PDF document you have saved on your computer, or you can select from a PDF file that you already have open. If you wish to select from a currently open PDF file, click on the box that says Include Opened Documents. A list of open PDF documents will appear. Select the PDF document you wish to work with. Once selected, click OK. You will now be prompted to add a header and footer. At the top of the menu, you will see the Schemes. A pull-down menu will contain any preset headers and footers you have saved in PDF Converter. Assuming you do not already have a Bates number setting saved in PDF Converter, I'll show you how to set one up. To create a custom Bates numbering setting, do the following. Ensure that the macros shows Bates number setting. Then click on Insert Macro. Bates numbers should always be in the footer of all documents submitted to EOIR. The EOIR practice manual says that they can be in the center or the right-hand side. Cut and paste the Bates macros into the right footer or right center. You can now customize the rest of your settings. You can customize the location of the Bates numbering on your documents. You can also modify the font, size, and appearance of the numbering. Once you've set up your preferences, you can save them and name them. Once you click OK, the Bates numbers will be inserted into your PDF document. Since your Bates numbers were added electronically, PDF Converter gives you the ability to come back into your document after you've saved it and remove the Bates numbers. This way, you can reuse an entire submission or selected parts of a submission for another case. With PDF Converter, you can insert pages into an existing PDF document, and you can also extract pages that you do not need. Like in File Center, you can manipulate documents in PDF Converter. You can view your document in different ways. Looking at our document in document assembly mode, for example, it is easy to see what happens when we manipulate our document. Looking at your document in document assembly mode, it's easy to see what happens when we manipulate our document. With PDF Converter, you can insert pages into an existing PDF document. You can delete pages you do not need. You can replace pages, insert blank pages, and manipulate pages in your PDF document. For example, let's say we want to add a blank page into our document. Click on Document, then Pages, and hit New. Now you can tell the program where you want to insert the new page. You can add a new page before or after the first page, last page, current page, or any page number. Let's say we want to add a new page after page 8. Click OK. And now we see that a new page has been inserted into our PDF document after page 8. Like in File Center, you can assemble documents in PDF Converter. It's a bit less visual, but it is still easy. With your PDF document open, you can tack other PDF documents together and to create one document compiled of several different documents, as we did in File Center, where we stacked the documents one on top of another. To do that, you would go to Document, Pages, Insert. Now you'll see a list of all of the different documents, all the different PDF documents that you could insert into our submission. Say, for example, we wanted to add the index to the submission. Select Index and click Open. Now you'll tell PDF Converter where you would like to insert it. Since it's the index, that should go at the beginning of our document, so let's put it before our first page. And now you can see the index has been submitted before the remainder of the document. Now that I have my document in order, I can paginate it and print it to be filed at court. I hope this demonstration was helpful. Bye!